Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Nova hair shampoo honest review. Like if you just search for it, Amazon Nova hair shampoo, this one, and we go for it. As you can see, the things that they claim is that dark hair transformation, natural ingredients, quick fix, things like that. But when we head over to Reddit and listen to actual people, my hair did not turn color, but it was burning. And again, do not buy news. Ingredients are highly toxic. You'll have fatigue, muscle weakness, headaches, lightheadedness, anemic, and things like that. My beard, my face, all of them got burned. It is a scam website, things like that. So please don't go for this one. If you want an actual solution, you can consult someone who's in the medical industry or some actual trusted source, but don't go for this Nova hair dye shampoo thingy. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.